Hello friend, now we learn the assembly. In an assembly we can assemble the different parts. So for that first we draw the different part, then open it. Part, assembly, remove the use default template, assembly design, copy associated drawing. Okay. Now this define the assembly window. These three are the different function. First one is the assemble. This define the add the component to the assembly. It means what? We are already draw the component and we can add into the assembly window. Okay. This is the add a mannequin to the assembly. This define the create a component in a assembly window. Okay. Now first one, add a component. We can already draw the part. Okay. So open the part. Okay. We can easily understand the assembly with the simple example. Okay. Now this define the one part. This define as a 3 view, and this assembly has also assembly front view, assembly top view and assembly right view. Okay. Now we can match the assembly front to front, right to right and top to top plane. Okay. This define the placement. In a placement, this is the constraint type. Okay. These are the different constraint. Okay. First one is the mat, align, insert, coordinate system, tangent, point on a line, point on a surface, edge on a surface, fix, default. Now in the first component we can apply the constraint as default. Okay. Okay. Now this define the show the component in a separate window. Okay. This define a component in a separate window. Okay. Show component in a assembly window while specifying a constraint. Okay. Now press OK. Now first component is set. Now we can assemble the another part. So add a component, select the second part and open it. Now we can assemble this part on this part. Okay. For this we can apply the different constraint. Okay. Placement, define. First we can apply the mat. Okay. Mat means what? This part surface and this part surface both are touch. Okay. So first one we can mat the surface. Okay. This surface mat with this surface. Okay. Now we can apply the another constraint. This also is a mat. This surface is mat with this surface. Okay. Now one last command is insert. Okay. Now you can see this. These are the different constraint as apply. These are the insert with this command. Okay. Now this is fit on this part. Okay. This define the fully constraint. Okay. Now press OK. Okay. Now select this part. We can apply this part also in a bottom surface. So we can select this part, edit, repeat. Okay. Now select this option and add a. Now select this option and add a component. Okay. Now first select this surface and add a component. Now we can see this this part. Okay, now conform. Okay, now we can apply the one another component. So open it. Now this is the shaft. Okay, we can this key is over this key. Okay, keyway. Okay, now we can set this part. So for that, first one is a insert. This surface is insert with this surface. Okay, now new constraint is align. Now this surface is aligned with this surface. Okay, now another one new constraint is also align. In this part, this surface is aligned with this surface. Okay, now we can apply the offset. Okay, now okay, you can easily see this part assemble with this surface. Okay, now we can also add this component at the other side. So select it, edit, repeat. All these features, add a component. So for that we can apply the insert. First one, select this, add a component, align and select this surface. Okay, then conform. Okay, now we can add a last component, key. Okay, now we can touch this surface with this surface. Okay, okay, now this surface is met with this surface. Okay, now this surface is also met with this surface. Okay, now we can coincident. Okay, okay, now this define a fully constraint. Okay, now we can apply the key. Same way we can add this component at the other side. Okay, this way we can use the assembly. We can assemble the different part. Okay, thank you.